what is an acoustic overlay?
I guess that by definition, it's land identified in a planning overlay due to its proximity to a noise source, and that being rail, freeway, a flight path near an airport, could be near an industrial area that's got loud sounds coming from it, etc. So that's sort of, I guess, the nitty gritty of that. The purpose is to ensure that the home is comfortable and meets a minimum level of internal noise standards. So, it's not talking about if you're in your front yard, you can't stop the noise, but if you're inside the house, you can. And it's making sure that that's at a really comfortable level. Where do you find out if it's applicable, I guess, is the next question. And on your plan of subdivision or in the Section 173 agreement, which will be in your land contract, it will specify if that particular block requires you to meet the acoustic overlay requirements. Generally, the land developer will let you know as well because, it's a little bit trickier on those blocks. I think since the 7-star requirements have come out and a lot of builders are double glazing now and got extra insulation, it's a little bit easier to comply than before, Colin. But, it's certainly times gone by. It was this, I guess, a bit of a tricky one where, not everyone you talk to knew about it. It's a little bit more common these days as well here, not just in Queensland. And so therefore you'll find builders are starting to talk about it more often, or the builder's rep can go and have a chat to someone in their office and get you some feedback on that. I guess for clarity, it's a legal requirement, not a builder upgrade. So don't think the builder's trying to set you up on this. It's actually to do with the builder themselves just having to comply with the law. So, you know, and I guess the good example of that is if you lived within 150 metres of a train line with proper acoustic treatment, you can barely hear the train at all. And I can say I live on a main road. We've got double glazing to the front of our home. I don't hear at night. Our bedroom's at the front, and we're on a main road. I don't hear anything. If I go into our bathroom where we keep the window open at night, I do. You can hear traffic, but otherwise, I don't hear it at all. Wouldn't hear a truck. Wouldn't hear a car, unless someone, on a motorbike, on a Harley or something goes past like a nut job. You might hear that, but otherwise, it doesn't happen very often.
Okay.
So